What's up, y'all? My name's Jesse with Greatt Builds, and in today's video I'm going to be building a modern style bookshelf. This is a very beginner friendly build, so let's get to it. For the materials, I used two 2x10s and a single 2x6 to create the bookshelf, as well as 2.5-inch screws and some stain. To start out, I get all of my cuts done so I can get this all assembled at once. For the 2x10s, I cut one at 64 inch, one at 51.5 inches, one at 12 inches, and 5 pieces at 8 3/4 inch. For the 2x6, all I needed was 2 pieces cut at 26 inches. I'll be sure to put a cut list in this video to help follow along easily. This shelf can be put together with standard wood screws, or if you have a pocket hole jig, it can be done that way as well. I decided to just use wood screws just to show that you don't really need any specialty tools to build this piece. And here's a quick cut list that you're welcome to screenshot, as well as a layout for the first part that I'll put together. To start out, I grabbed the 2x10 cut at 51.5 inches and started to line up the shelves on this piece. For this piece, you'll need two 8 3/4 inch boards as well as a 12-inch board for the bottom. Each piece on this board will be 23.5 inches apart, so I lined up the top and bottom board flush with the ends and placed the board in the middle centered at 23.5 inches from the top. To keep them aligned, I drew a line where each one goes and started to attach them. Be sure to use a square when lining these boards up just to keep them level and straight. To keep a level surface when attaching the boards, I used the 2x6 pieces that you cut earlier as the base when screwing these shelves on. Just lay the 2x10 on its side and line up each shelf with the line you just drew and screw in 3 2.5-inch screws into each board. Now let's get started on the next portion. I grabbed the 64-inch 2x10 as well as the remaining 3 8 3/4 inch boards for this half of the shelf. Just like we put the previous portion together, line up the first board with the top of the 2x10 and measure 23.5 inches down from each board. Once they're all aligned, get your square to make sure they are straight, draw your reference lines, and you are ready to get these shelves attached. Again, be sure to place 3 2.5-inch wood screws into each shelf and try and keep them as lined up as possible. Now that both sides are finished up, line up the 12-inch board with the other half of the shelf and place 3 wood screws to attach the base to both sides. To keep the top aligned and square, using a clamp will be pretty helpful, as the top portion of this will tend to want to move back and forth until the braces of the back are attached. I made sure to measure the base and match the measurement to the top so that I know it's nice and straight. Once it's all lined up, I grabbed one of my 2x6 pieces and attached it to the bottom half of the shelf. I placed 2 screws into each shelf, making sure it's lined up with each end of the shelf. Then I grabbed the final 2x6 board and placed it on the top half of the shelf. Once all of the wood screws are placed, this shelf is complete. But I wanted this shelf to have a darker tone, so I decided to get some stain and stain the entire shelf in a varathane stain. The color I chose was called Kona, which I've used before and it turned out pretty well. Honestly, this step would be a lot easier to do before it's assembled, so if you're planning on staining this piece, be sure to stain it right after you're done cutting all your pieces. And here it is, all finished up in its new home. I really liked how it turned out. Be sure to leave a comment in this video if you plan to make this on your own, as well as sending it to my Instagram once you're done. I really appreciate you watching this video, and if you haven't already, please consider subscribing and liking this video, as I will be uploading a lot more fun beginner DIY videos as well as a bunch more reviews. Thanks again for watching, take care!